Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get sound on your MSI monitor speaker. First, make sure your monitor actually has built-in speakers and that it is connected correctly to your computer through HDMI, DisplayPort, or another audio-capable connection. Now on your Windows computer, click the Start menu and open Settings. Then select System and click on Sound. Here, scroll down and select More Sound Settings. A new window will open. Next, click on the Playback tab. Look for your MSI monitor in the list of playback devices. Then select the monitor speaker and click Set Default to make it the default playback device. After that, click Properties. Now open the Levels tab and make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Next, test the audio by playing a video, song, or system sound. If you only have sound issues with a specific application, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar and select Open Volume Mixer. Here, check the volume levels for the application you're using and make sure it isn't muted. If you still don't hear any sound, it's a good idea to check for Windows updates. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Update Settings. Then open it and allow Windows to check for available updates. If updates are found, download and install them. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. Once the system restarts, test the monitor audio again. You can also review recent updates by selecting Update History on the Windows Update page. If you've completed all of these steps and the monitor speakers still aren't producing sound, check the Monitors on Screen menu to make sure the volume is turned up and that audio isn't muted there. If the issue continues, you may need to contact MSI customer support for further assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.